Listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you could completely change how you approach making money online. 2025 might be the last truly easy year to build wealth online before competition. AI automation and regulations make it 10 times harder. If you've been waiting for the right time to start, that time is now. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down money, investing, and online business strategies to help you build financial freedom. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the ideas that could set you up for life. Section 1, WHY 2025 is different. Let's start with the big question. Why 2025? Over the last decade, the internet has gone through cycles. 2005 to 2010 gives blogging and AdSense made people rich. 2010 to 2015 gives YouTube, dropshipping, and apps exploded. 2016 to 2020 gives influencer marketing, crypto, and e-commerce boomed. 2021 to 2024 gives AI tools, short-form content, and side hustles took over. Now, in 2025, all these opportunities still exist, but they're starting to get crowded, regulated, and automated. AI is leveling the playing field, meaning anyone can create content, write, copy, build websites, or even design logos instantly. That's great for productivity, but it also means the window for easy money is closing fast. Section 2. The rising competition. Think about it. If everyone has access to the same AI tools, the same templates, and the same strategies, what happens? The market gets saturated. For example, starting a dropshipping store in 2018 was relatively simple. In 2025, it's highly competitive. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2020 was a goldmine. In 2025, you're competing with thousands of AI-driven channels posting daily. Selling digital products like ebooks or courses is still powerful, but only if you can stand out with branding, trust, and marketing. This doesn't mean the opportunity is gone. It means the bar is getting higher. Section 3. Where the real opportunities still exist. So, if 2025 is the last easy year, where should you focus? Here are the top opportunities still wide open. AI-assisted content creation. Use AI to accelerate, but add your unique voice, story, and perspective. People trust people, not just machines. Personal branding. In a crowded market, your brand is the moat. Your face, your story, your authenticity. High-demand skills, copywriting, marketing, video editing, and prompt engineering are still in massive demand. Learn them, sell them, scale them. E-commerce with niche products. Instead of generic dropshipping, focus on micro-niches. With strong communities, affiliate marketing with trust. People are overwhelmed by products. If you become the trusted voice recommending the best tools, you win. Building communities. Whether it's newsletters, private groups, or Discord channels, community is currency. Licensing and digital assets. Creating templates, digital art, music, or code you can license for recurring income. Section 4. Why 2026 will be harder. Here's the harsh truth. Starting in 2026, making money online will get significantly harder. Why? Regulations. Governments will start cracking down on AI content, data privacy, and digital businesses. AI overload. The internet will be flooded with low-quality AI content, making it harder to stand out. Rising ad costs. Paid traffic will cost more as big brands dominate. Attention, economy, saturation. People's attention spans are shrinking, while the number of creators keeps growing. In other words, the same opportunities that feel wide open in 2025 will feel crowded, expensive, and regulated in 2026. Section 5. What you should do. Now. So what should you do in 2025 to prepare? Pick a lane and commit. Don't chase shiny objects. Whether it's YouTube, e-commerce, or freelancing, focus on one and master it. Invest in skills. Tools will change, but skills like selling, storytelling, and persuasion will never be replaced. Build assets, not gigs. Instead of just trading time for money, focus on building long-term assets like YouTube channels, blogs, or product brands. Leverage AI smartly. Use AI to scale, but don't rely on it blindly. Add your creativity and personality. Start now. The earlier you start, the more momentum you'll build before 2026 makes it harder. Conclusion: 2025 is the year to act. Waiting will only make it harder. The tools are in your hands, the opportunities are here, and the playing field is still relatively even. So here's my challenge to you. Don T. Just watch videos like this. Pick one strategy and take action today. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with a friend who's been putting off starting their online journey. Because 2025 really might be their last easy chance. Watch this next video to discover the top 7 ways to make money with AI without coding. Because AI is your biggest weapon if you use it the right way.